Welcome, my students. We have already known about the potential difference and electromotive force, and it has been concluded that due to potential difference, current flows from higher potential to lower potential. In the last class, we have seen that current flows from the zinc rod. In the zinc rod, there is negative potential, and in the copper rod, there is positive potential. Electrons are flown from zinc rod to copper rod. Electrons, that is current flown from copper to zinc. That is the direction of flow of current. Direction of current is the opposite direction of flow of electrons. So it is convention that current flows in that direction, that is the opposite direction of flow of electron. Now what is current? During flow of current, charge, actually positive charge flows. The unit of positive charge is coulomb. The quantity of charge flows through any area of cross section of a conductor in unit time is called current or strength of current. Strength of current is indicated by I. I equal to quantity of charge, positive charge Q divided by time T. So the definition of current is that current can be defined as the quantity of positive charge flown through any area of cross section of a conductor in unit time. What will be the unit of current? The unit of charge is coulomb. Coulomb, and unit of time is second. So unit of current is coulomb per second. That is called ampere. So 1 ampere current means when 1 coulomb charge passes through any area of cross section of a conductor in 1 second, the current is 1 ampere. Now it is clear that the flow of current depends on potential difference. As the flow of water depends on the level difference of water from higher level to lower level, water flows, and from higher potential, that is positive potential, to negative potential, current flows. Again, I am stating that electron flows from the negative potential to positive potential, so current flows from positive potential to negative potential. And it was first noticed by Sir Ohm that more the potential difference, more will be the current. Nowadays we say that voltage has been increased, and due to increment of volt, current has been increased, and the brightness of light is increased. So current depends on the potential difference, and it is established that the current is increased by the increment of potential difference in the same rate, and it has been stated in Ohm's law. So what is Ohm's law states? That is the temperature and other physical conditions means a length, area of cross section, presence of light, presence of magnetic field, etc. The all physical conditions will remain unchanged. Only potential difference will be changed. Other physical conditions remaining unchanged. Flow of current through any part of a conductor directly proportional to the potential difference of the two ends of the conductor. To the PD means potential difference of the two ends of the conductor. So this is Ohm's law. So what Ohm's law states, I am again saying temperature and other physical conditions remaining unchanged, flow of current through any part of the conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference of the two ends of the conductor. That is, if the potential difference be V and current flow is I, then V proportional to I. This is the mathematical expression of Ohm's law. More the potential difference, more will be the current. That is, if the potential difference be 220 volt and current be 10 ampere, then potential difference is increased by 2 times, it becomes double, 440 volt, then current will be, instead of 10 ampere, it will be 20 ampere. So V proportional to I, or V equal to Ri, where R is a constant and this R is called resistance of the conductor. So we have seen V equal to Ri, where R is a constant. This R is a constant of proportionality. These are taken as resistance of the conductor. It is known as resistance. So R equal to V by I. So according to Ohm's law, resistance is the ratio of potential difference to current strength of the conductor. And what is resistance of the conductor? What is its qualitative definition? Resistance is a property of the conductor by virtue of which flow of current through the conductor is hindered. Flow of current through the conductor is resisted, is opposed, is hindered. So the property for which flow of current through the conductor is hindered is called resistance of the conductor, and it is measured, this resistance is measured by the ratio of potential difference V to strength of current I. So R equal to V by I. And what will be its unit? R equal to V means volt, unit of potential difference, and unit of current is ampere. So volt by ampere equal to resistance, it is called ohm, OHM. Any unit normally should be started with small letter, though it is named after a person. Therefore, the unit of resistance is ohm. So 1 ohm resistance can be defined as the resistance of a conductor when 1 ampere current passes through the conductor which is connected with 1 volt potential difference. So 1 volt by 1 ampere equal to 1 ohm. And more will be the resistance, less will be the current, and less will be the resistance, more will be the current. So current and resistance are inversely proportional. See, here see, potential difference equal to resistance into current. So if resistance is increased, current will be decreased. If resistance is decreased, current will be increased, but their product will be equal to the potential difference. Thank you, my students. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.